Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So finally the Infosys Round 1 hiring mails are out. And yes, even I have received the mail for the Infosys test process. In today's video, I will show you the actual mail from my inbox, explain all the important instruction, test details, guidelines and also what you should start preparing right now for the assessment. So watch this video till the end and don't miss any important update. So yes, this is the screenshot directly from my inbox where the Infosys Off Campus Recruitment Round 1 update has been given to me. So it clearly mentions that you have been shortlisted for Infosys test process for the role of specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer. So they have also provided username and password. So this mail is an official update from Infosys that the recruitment process has started and its first round is an online test which we will discuss like what instructions they have provided, what guidelines they have given to be followed while giving the test. So we will make sure that test is given in an environment where we will not get any kind of issue. So let's see the guidelines as well. So the instructions are as follows like you must reset the one-time password shared above at least 4 hours before the test. So this is one of the important thing you have to do first. Like don't wait till the last moment. You should, if you have got a mail, you should go on a link and reset your password as soon as you get mail from Infosys. So do that thing first, and next is this is web-proctored online test for 3 hours. That's 180 minutes. If you start the test at 10 a.m., you will have to complete it by 1 p.m. So it's like 3 hours online test, which would be assessed, and also you will be under observation. And kindly ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection from the time you log in till you complete the test. The recommended internet speed is 2 Mbps to 5 Mbps. So they have also provided a link to check the system compatibility, which will make sure like your webcam or audio is working properly or not. So you would not get any last minute issues. Guidelines provided by them are like the login window will remain open for only 30 minutes. So you have given a time period to log in into the test and give the assessment. Like so the time frame you have to log in is 10 to 10:30. You must start the test within that time frame. It's mandatory to have a working webcam on the system while taking the test, failing which you will not be allowed to take the test. Please ensure that your face is completely and constantly visible throughout the test. You must not exit the test screen while taking the test. Any attempt to do so will be recorded. Browser requirements for taking the tests are also mentioned. So that's all from the guidelines and instruction part. So not more days are remaining for the assessment test, and I think many of you have got the mail as well. So start preparing well, and the topics which are like asked most frequently, as per my research by past Infosys pattern, is like they usually ask the same verbal quant, logical reasoning, pseudocodes, and coding. If you are not so great in coding, don't worry. Just do the basics clears like array strings, loops, etc. Basic recursion, and the main thing they want is like the thinking, logical thinking you and the problem solving skills you have. So don't get panic and just prepare the basic, and you would definitely able to pass this test. And that's all from this video. I would be mentioning the important topics in the comment section as well. So that was all the important information regarding the Infosys Round 1 assessment mail. If you have also received the mail, comment below mail received. And if you want more videos on Infosys aptitude, coding preparation, previous year question, and test strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel. All the best for your assessment. Start preparing from today itself, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.